Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Larato. Thank you so much for stopping by. So working from home has its perks. It's really nice. Right now it's just after 7 a.m. and I quickly decided to come out to wholesale, like Metro Food Market, to buy a few things. It's like literally 5 minutes away from my house, so I just decided to come here and get like fruits and veggies. Also because Tabiso wakes up early. She woke up around 5 and now she's asleep. Like when I left she was sleeping, so as soon as she went back to sleep I decided to shower quickly and then yeah, come here, and by the time I finish I will go home and I'll still have time. I'll be on time for work because I'm working from home. And it's nice that this store opens so early, like they open at 6:30, so that is amazing. So I'm just quickly gonna go in and get what I need and then head back home. Let me show you something. I took like plastic bags so that I can use them to pack my groceries, and my husband does not like this, but I like it because what am I gonna do with those plastic bags that we keep buying every time we're at the store? So I'm just gonna repurpose this. I just took two because hi guys, so I am done. I'm driving back. It's 25 to 9, so I did really well because when I parked at the shop and I started shooting before going in, it was quarter to 8, so I did really well. Although I didn't quite get everything that I need, but I think what I got, it will be able to sustain us for maybe 2-3 weeks, or I can go get it on Saturday because now I had a time deadline. Okay guys, I'm back home. It was when I parked here, it was 8:39. I don't know what time it is now. I'm gonna go back in and have my cup of green tea because I already had coffee and start working, and I will see you guys in a while. Hi guys, so I'm back home on a little work break. So work went really, my meetings went really well, and now I'm just taking a small break. Sipping on some green tea, and I'm actually gonna make my lunch, because it's 12 now. I don't know if we should call it lunch or breakfast still, but I'm gonna make my papaya boat. So I just wanted you to see that. I'm first gonna make my chia pudding for that. So yeah, let's do that. Yo guys, it's so cold. Like, I don't understand why it's so cold, so I changed into my gown just for comfortability, because I'm in the house and I'm not gonna go anywhere. So my chia puddings are very simple. I don't even measure it. I just eyeball the chia seeds that I put in there, and then vanilla essence. And then I'm gonna use this chocolate soy milk, because I've had it open for a while and I'm not gonna have any smoothies, so just to get it done. And then for sweetness, I'm gonna use maple syrup, so just a bit in there. And then you mix it all together and put it in the fridge for like, I'll check on it when I'm done drinking my tea. Then I will put together my my papaya boat and have my food. Done. It's done. Really, life is too short for us to be weighing out ingredients for a chia pudding. Come on. No. Love the consistency. This is all ready. So I'm going to have strawberries, banana and blueberries as my fillings. Then I will top it up with some flaxseed. So let's get building. To do with this, it will be a snack. I'll just fill it up in this jar with some bananas and blueberries and whatever, and then I'll eat that as it is. But this is my meal, like a breakfast, because it's my first meal of the day. So yeah. I sprinkled a bit of maple syrup on top because I tasted the strawberries and they're not nice, so I didn't want to have that. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna eat that, but I'm not gonna eat it on camera, obviously. That's just how I eat papaya, because it's very bland and yeah, it needs some help from other fruits. So guys, my niece sent me this picture, like a screen grab of this girl who's saying the twins are her babies. She even put like a date of birth. They're apparently born on the 1st of June this year. She has pictures of the twins on her profile. Like, girl. I didn't even add her as a friend. I just reported the account. um so I saw this one picture that she used as her background picture. Like, it's the twins picture from last year, where I was not even showing their faces. It's just the picture of the twins. I'm gonna put like these pictures here. So I reported her. Like, guys, how do you do that? I'm so shocked. It's so disrespectful. Like, who is she trying to catfish? Why is she pretending to be a mother of kids she doesn't know? Like, who is she even? Oh, guys, people have loads of problems. The problem is not with social media, the problem is with people. I just want to touch on this as well. I know how people have been talking about the social dilemma, how they feel so much better after turning off their notification. I didn't watch the documentary, but it's somewhat implying from what people are saying. It's like the documentary is saying social media is a scam. It's out here to just to keep us glued to our phones and stuff. I really don't think the problem is with social media. It's how you as a person uses your social media and what you do with it. Like that girl, she had no reason. Like, what compelled her to go and say she's pregnant with twins? Like, that girl, if she was pregnant, we don't know her. If she was pregnant and she was expecting twins and she doesn't have the twins now, why is she claiming my babies? You can't do that. So it's either two things happened: she's lying about being pregnant altogether, or she was pregnant and maybe her baby's passed. But you can't claim other people's babies and say they're yours and post them all over your social media, even if something as sad as that did happen to you. But you can't do that. It's wrong. Please, guys, don't do such things. No, like, don't do such things. It's wrong. So I asked a couple of people. So I posted like the screen grabs on my Instagram, on my WhatsApp, and I just asked people to help me report the account so that she can take down my baby's pictures and carry on with her life. And yeah, so I don't know if by the time you watch this video she would have done that. I'm only sharing a portion of my motherhood journey with my kids, and I'm doing that. I was actually talking about this with another twin mom, Lorna. We touched on it a bit. Like, when she was pregnant with her twins, she didn't have any support. Like, she didn't have anywhere she could turn for extra information. She just went through it, and she had to join a group from overseas. And overseas and here, totally different. But she had to do that so that she can get some information, she can get some support, and she won't feel alone. So now we are going out there and sharing our experiences so that other mothers with twins or just mothers with singletons can just relate to our experiences for whatever they're going through. And if you are relating to my experience, you can share one picture, you can share two pictures, but you can't claim to be a mother of my kids. You can't do that. It's not right. So that's the reason I'm talking about it. Although I am a content creator and I'm putting my kids out there, I'm doing it so that other people can benefit from it, not to bring them harm or for you to now see that as an opportunity and use that. Like, who raised you? Where are your manners? Please don't do that. It's not right. So you can't say you are entitled to pictures of my babies that I put on the internet. They're not yours. They're not your kids. You don't know them. So please Just if you want to reshare, you can reshare. If you want to share with somebody and show somebody, talk about it, you can do that, but you can't claim to be the mother. That is wrong on so many levels. And I'm gonna pray for this girl, this woman. I think she needs prayers, because for you to go and do that on social media, it just shows the kind of life you're living. How is your heart? Like, she could be going through major depression. Like I said, she could have been pregnant with twins or whatever her reason is. Because even if nothing happened and she's just doing it for fun, as people would say, that just shows you how sick you are if that is your idea of fun. So let's pray for people like this. I'm gonna end the video right here so that I can eat, because Lil Missy is awake. I think Tepa will also wake up quite soon and get back to my day. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it up to this point, I appreciate it. Please like, comment, share. Okay, also guys, if you have encountered some sort of discomfort, uncomfortability, like I have, rude comments on social media, please just comment them down below, then we can have a conversation about this. And I will see you guys in the next I'll see you guys in the next video. So stay blessed and win today.